3 years ago, we came out with the Thumby, the tiny playable keychain. And since then, we've sold over 50,000 Thumbys to people all around the world. Now we're back with the Thumby Color, with the color screen, better form factor, and more powerful processor.
And you can create your own games easily using Python and our free online tools.
We took feedback from all of our users. We added shoulder buttons, vibration motor, and an improved speaker.
The new resolution is 128 by 128, a lot bigger, 65,000 colors. And that's a big upgrade compared to the monochrome on the original Thumby. It can play 4 channels of audio. It also has USB-C for the connection and charging.
We're using the new Raspberry Pi processor. It has a floating point unit that allows us to do physics calculations,
collisions, some impulse resolution.
It lets you create much more advanced games in a very tiny form factor. One of the great things about the Thumby was you could create your own games for it, kind of taking that same concept and to allow you to create even more advanced games. We've developed a whole new Thumby Color engine.
There's a lot of software infrastructure, software 3D and physics capabilities, so you'll be able to do all sorts of interesting game content.
We'll be able to play old Thumby games. It'll be backwards compatible. It'll be as simple as dragging and dropping the old games onto the new hardware.
The Thumby Color is our 7th Kickstarter. We've done 6 before successfully, including the Thumby, the Tiny Arcade, and the Tiny Duino.
We build all the circuit boards in-house here at Tiny Circuits. We have a full surface mount assembly line right here in this warehouse.
Since our last Kickstarter, Tiny Circuits has actually moved to a bigger facility here in Akron, Ohio. So we continue to make our own products and we continue to grow and create employment for people here in Akron.